Shenzhen Zhongtian Door Company Limited, established in 2004. We are a distinguished enterprise specializing in garage door opener design and manufacturing. Over 2 decades, we have utilized Shenzhen's geographic advantages to build a team of highly qualified professionals in R&D, engineering, and quality control. This approach has enabled us to offer a comprehensive range of specifications and diverse openers tailored to meet the unique requirements of users in global markets. Our factory operates in over 5,000 square meters self-owned production facility and is staffed with a stable and skilled workforce, ensuring rigorous and efficient production processes and quality control systems. Our annual production capacity exceeds 200,000 units. Over the past decade, we have focused on international markets and exports to 30-plus countries, including Australia, Europe, and Middle East, accounting for 85% of sales. Certified by international standards, CE, RoHS, TUV, ETL, and SASO, our openers are known for their advanced functionality, reliable quality, and elegant design, attributes that have earned widespread customer recognition and driven consistent growth in our partner clients' sales. Supports OEM and ODM. Flexible and customized product development plans are offered, tailored to specific customer requirements, allowing us to meet the unique needs of clients worldwide. Our commitment to quality and innovation help placed at the forefront of the industry while continually striving to exceed customer expectations. We warmly welcome you to visit us for cooperation and growth.